Hey, Aaron, tonight's Adam Harris here, your head of communications and storytelling. I'm with Aaron. He's the evening custodian at Ivy Hill Elementary School. And I was wandering through the buildings today, and I started talking to Aaron, and I was like, you know what, man? Like, last year was crazy for everybody and you all in the facilities department. You know, your job is to make sure that this building is ready for our kids every single day and our staff every single day when they come in. That job alone, without a pandemic, you know, is difficult and also really meaningful. I don't know, I just kind of wanted to bring light to the fact that, like, without you all, we wouldn't have been able to have our kids back into school and our staff back into school as quickly as we did, and just in general. So, like, I don't know, I just hope you realize that was pretty awesome.
Thank you, appreciate it. And, you know, without the coordination from our FOMs, the people in administration, or just our teachers and staff telling us how we could be there to help one another in the times of change on a consistent basis, we wouldn't be able to have that communication that we needed to make sure that we were there to help and there to take care of any matters.
Yeah, and make sure the building was safe.
Absolutely, for the students, the staff, and the teachers.
Yeah, of course, and for you all too.
Oh, well, of course. We were in the evening, so
right.
You know, just making sure that in the morning everything was tip top.
Yeah, I love that. Okay, my last question for you is, why do you work in a school building?
I wanted to work for a group of people, like our teachers, right? They teach kids essential things, like life lessons on how to go about life, how to make life decisions that are milestones, that without those tools or those people, they can't make those steps in life.
To like impact the world.
Yeah, exactly. Like, without those tools to work together as a team, each and every person is essential to that success story.
Yep.
So without a team, there's no I in team, right? So without everybody, we can't get through this together. And just like in school, without our teachers, our staff, and our administration, we can't allow the students to succeed through school.
Right.
And I, as a custodian, I make the place safe, and I make the place safe in the sense of sanitation, so kids can go everywhere in the school feeling like if they touch a surface, that we've cleaned it, we've sanitized it, and they can go about their day without feeling like they're passing a germ or some type of sickness off to their fellow student or their fellow teacher.
Yeah, they can go about their day like completely carefree and just here to learn. That's their job, is to learn.
That's all we're doing here.
Yeah, I love it, man. Okay, well, thank you so much. You did awesome. Thanks for doing this.
Yeah,
it's really hard to do an interview, so like, thank you, man.
Yeah, for sure. Right on the spot.
Yeah, right on the spot. Okay, now we just say goodbye. See ya.
Have a great day, guys.